This is a map of America. Over here is our city, Santa Clara. You can see fronts, cold and hot, coming from the west, the low pressure system, and they are going towards the east, right into our city, Santa Clara, indicating that there will be a lot of rain coming.
And now for your 5-day weather forecast for Santa Clara, California. On Saturday, February 23rd, 2019, which is also the 111th anniversary of when Japan and the United States signed a contract restricting immigration throughout the country, the average temperature for that day will be 60 degrees Fahrenheit and 15.6 degrees Celsius. That will also be the high temperature for the day, and the low temperature for the day will be 42 degrees Fahrenheit and 5.6 degrees Celsius. The precipitation will be a 10% chance in the early morning, and it will be in the form of rain if there is any, which is also very unlikely. The humidity will be 78% all throughout the day, and there will be winds coming from the northeast region at 10 miles per hour. It will be very warm and humid and partly cloudy all throughout the day. On Sunday, February 24th, 2019, the average temperature will be 59 degrees Fahrenheit and 15 degrees Celsius. That will also be the high for the day, and it will be around 12 p.m. and 3 p.m. The low for that day will be 41 degrees Fahrenheit and 5 degrees Celsius. The precipitation will be 10% in the form of rain in the early morning, which is also very unlikely that it will happen. The humidity will be at 64% all throughout the day, and the winds will be coming from the northeast region at 10 miles per hour. It will be very humid and partly cloudy all throughout the day as well. The fact for this day is that most kangaroos' left dominant hand is their left hand. For Monday, February 25th, 2019, the average temperature will be 59 degrees Fahrenheit and 15 degrees Celsius. The high will be 60 degrees Fahrenheit and 15.6 degrees Celsius. The low for that day will be 46 degrees Fahrenheit and 7.8 degrees Celsius. The precipitation will be 90% chance of the form of rain all day, which means it's going to rain. The humidity will be at 71%, and the winds will be coming from the northeast region once again at 15 miles per hour. So it's going to be very windy, wet, and rainy.
On Tuesday, February 26, 2019, the average temperature will be 54 degrees Fahrenheit. The high temperature will be 58 degrees Fahrenheit, and the low will be 52 degrees. Precipitation is 70% chance of rain all day. Humidity is 75%. And the wind is coming from the northeast at a rate of 18 miles per hour. So it'll be very windy, wet, and very rainy. Also, did you know there's a town in Texas called Ding Dong? On Wednesday, February 27, 2019, the average temperature will be 62 degrees Fahrenheit. The high temperature will be 64 degrees Fahrenheit, and the low temperature will be 56 degrees Fahrenheit. Precipitation will be 88% chance of rain, and the humidity will be 79%. Wind will be coming from the northeast with a rate of 13 miles per hour. So it'll be very humid and wet. So, bad hair days coming. Also, did you know that one of King Tut's daggers was made of iron that was traced back to a meteorite over 18 billion miles away from Earth?